This bush is making a weird sound. Hear that sound? That's weird. Nah, I'm just messing. What you're hearing my favorite call. Sewer clogs. Love them. This sucker is gonna blow. That's gonna cut the crap out of my hand. This is mint, actually. Yeah, that's mint. It smells amazing. That's actually gonna be nice once I get this cap off. Make sure you don't pick any mint from this area for your tea after I pop this off. Yeah, that'd be some forbidden mint tea if you catch my drift. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and they're all backing up. So that means this clean out is going to be under some serious pressure. We got the Super Hog with the electric eel sectional cable adapter. We got the electric eel cables, 1.25 inch with a 1/2 inch regular sewer cable through the middle. This thing with the whole hog, or I should say the Super Hog, is an absolute beast at clearing stoppages. The only downside is, my gosh, that thing is heavy. But anyway. Oh man, I might have to put a bag over this. Look at that. I'm not trying to get splattered. I love seeing it erupt, but dude, I'm not trying to get covered in poop water. I really am not. Not today, at least. And oh wow, yeah, that smells awful. I'm not squirrely enough today. Some days I might consider it. I just don't want to get covered in poo water, dude. Yeah, that's really squirting bad. It's just good content, you know, seeing it explode. I don't have all day. Sorry, folks. I'm just going to have to get a garbage bag. Be right back. All right, so this is what I do when I don't want to get splattered in the face. Oh, pressure kind of stopped. On the days I don't feel like getting splattered in the face, oh no, that's gonna explode. On the days I don't feel like getting splattered in the face, this is what I do. Just loosen it by hand, and then it's just a basically just a splash barrier, you know, like so. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. Oh boy, oh, holy cow. Yeah, I don't want to get that on my shoe either. Dang. that smells very, very nice. We like that. All right. So now that's done. Oh yeah. Little poopskis. Okay. We'll use this to stand on. A nice little gold nugget, some corn back there. We'll leave it for the possums and the raccoons for dinner. Okay. I gotta get my tripod. You can't really tell on camera, but this is very large. So these are all electric eel. This is the one I use. This is extremely versatile. Very versatile. This doesn't have the inner core cable like the sections do. So this is typically what I'll use. This thing just spins like crazy in the drain. I've not used this, haven't really used these. I'm gonna try this guy today. So we're out on the outside and should have a pretty straight shot. This thing is amazing, just FYI. If you're thinking about going the electric eel route. Okay, so we're gonna put this guy on and then stick her in the drain. So we got her in the drain, and then I pushed it in. There's probably 30 something feet on there. It's hard to do this with one hand. I'm gonna set. You get the picture, right? You just spin this, and the electric eel cables, they have this odd. I don't know. It's just this odd way of they feed themselves into the drain by themselves. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I know the K60 does that a little bit, but not like these. I don't know where I'm gonna set this up because I really don't want to put it in doo-doo. I can't leave it here. I'm too nervous. This is gonna fall over in the doo-doo. So let me keep working this and then check back the water. Hose. Water and clean out via hose. Snake. We got it. Rootage, per usual. All right, let me get this back in the cage. 29 feet. Severe root intrusion. Ooh, yeah, that's really bad. Chains are in. Obliterated them. That's amazing. Now let me wash them out. Wash it out with some water. Let's see here. kinks? Nope. Okay. So that was the main stoppage right there. That's as good as I can get it. It's probably some kind of lip right there. But I had to put on the 6-inch chains. And we got one more I want to do here. It's this one. Right there. So let me just... There we go. It's perfect placement. There, pretty much got it. So, oof, that was kind of a hard one. Yeah, I was trying with the 4-inch chisels. Just couldn't get it. It's 6-inch though, that's why. All right, well, I guess that's it.